Oh my gosh, there's another snowball. Back up. Back up. Get me! Oh! Right in the chest. Hey guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, and I want to invite you to this snow ride. Now this morning riding into work, these mountains over here were completely crusted in snow at the top. It was absolutely gorgeous. So right now I'm going to jump on my trusty 1190 and head for the hills. Now why? Fill a backpack full of snow and then have the kids make an Olaf making snowman contest. We're gonna pack this backpack full of as much snow as I can bring back to the kids, and tonight I'm gonna let you join in on our Olaf making contest. So, without further ado, let's drop the shields, fire the bike, and hit the road. Cloud cover right now, so you really can't see the snow up there, but I hope that in about a half hour we'll be able to be up there in the snow. Right now it's 54 degrees. I'm curious to see how far it drops as we get up there towards the snow. Oh dude, check out the rainbow. That's awesome. So the clouds in the sky are creating a rainbow over there in the canyon. I wonder if we can get a better shot of that. Oh, I missed it over here. Dang it. It was 61 degrees down there at the valley when we started. Right now it's looking like it's 51 degrees on the good old thermometero. Now we're heading our way up into the clouds and hopefully into the snow. Talked to one of my buddies here at work today who lives up there in Crestline. He said last night when he got home it was raining. It wasn't cold enough to snow. So the rain was hitting the snow and turning it into slush and washed that down the driveway. But we should be able to find some snow up here underneath some trees. Well, that was weird. Where did that come from? I'm getting rained on right now. That's crazy. Came around that corner and got blasted with the wind. No, I had the GoPro screen on. And my shield just got blasted with water. That was crazy. It's now down to 48 degrees. Rain was not in the forecast and not what I had planned for coming up there, but that's a good reason for all the gear, all the time. Look at that limo. Hummer limo. I should keep going that way. There's a fail on my part. I should have worn waterproof gloves instead of moto gloves. That sounds like a cold scenario. Lake Gregory, 138, Valley of Enchantment. Yeah, last year when I came up here in the snow, all this little area here was all covered in snow. It was great. Looks like this year, at least for this storm, I'm gonna have to head a little further higher in elevation. So let's get to it. Oh, that car has snow on the windshield. That's a good sign. Ooh, there we go. They got snow. They got snow. There is snow up here somewhere. That. Oh, there we go. We got a nice warning that popped out. warning, nice warning, nice warning. .39 degrees. Alright, snowplows coming down from somewhere. Oh, there we go. First glimpse of snow on the side of the road. Just saw it. There we go, right there. No snow play parking. Starting to see a little bit of accumulation on the side of the road, but pretty much just where the snowplow pushed it. There we are. Alright, come on. Bag of snow. Creating a bag of snow. Uh-oh. Alright, we now have a backpack full of snow. Hopefully, we can make this last so the kids can have an Olaf making contest. That would be amazing. Alright, well that, my friends, was an effective trying to find snow. Now that we have snow, we gotta hope that the snow stays snowy until I can get home and play with it with the kids. That would be awesome. Alright, now it's time to beat feet back down this mountain so I can finish up my day. Alright, buddy. So today at lunchtime, guess where I went?
Where?
To the snow.
Yay!
And guess what we got?
What?
We got snow to make Olaf. Let's see how well it turned out. Ready? Let's dump this. Ooh.
Ice!
So pretty hard, huh?
Ooh,
Whoa! Here you go.
Ice!
Do you want this tray or that tray? This tray? Okay, here's some snow.
No! That's ice!
Okay. Let's dump the rest of this one into this bowl. What do you say? Let's get you over real quick.
Flying!
Okay.
Whoa!
Ooh, it's soft on the bottom part.
I didn't see it?
Oh, third bag. Oh, it's sneaking out the side. Okay. Ready? Whoa!
A what? There's a what?
See these right here? We have 3 different sizes for 3 different size Frosties. Was that delicious, Harper?
I'm cracking it.
You're cracking it.
Some went on my face.
You went on your face? No way.
I got you.
Alright, let's put this guy over here. You know what? Let's try this. Watch. Hold on. Do we take this scooper? Let's see. Ooh, it's softer here, huh?
Harper's eating it?
Okay, here's your first Frosty ball. Ready?
What?
Or is it Olaf or Frosty? Which one?
Olaf!
Okay, now we need a middle one, right? The middle one's this size, no? Harper, is it delicious like a snow cone? Okay, hey, you're breaking Olaf all the pieces. Poor Olaf. Here, hold on. Ready?
What is that?
There's the second. And now we need, Olaf needs a head.
Yeah, big one.
Oh, you're killing Olaf. Okay.
Hey!
Now Olaf needs some eyeballs and some arms. Why are you killing Olaf? Poor guy. Are you having fun?
Wow, look! Face! I'm going to crack
Harper
this
needs her
one.
own little tray.
That's a big eyes. That's a big eyes I've seen. That's a big eyes I've never seen.
Alright, Harper lady, here's your tray. And here's your ice. Ready? Give us some of this. I want to make my first Olaf level this big. Do you want this to be in the middle of us? Let's do this. Okay, ready?
I'll use that scoop.
Oh, you like this scoop with the cooking for me? Got it. Okay.
I don't want to use this scoop. Oh, snowball!
Oh, it's falling apart. Ooh, you know what we could do? We could re-shred it. Let's try that. Should we make some shredded snow?
Yes.
Ready? Watch this. Ready?
What is that?
Ready?
What is it?
Whoa! It disappeared, huh? That was worth a shot.
Oh, snow! That's a lot of snow!
There's a lot of snow. Okay, Dad needs a second one. So now... Oh, here we go. It's going. Okay.
This chair to not eat.
Here's my middle Olaf ball.
No, we cannot have.
Ready? There he is. Middle ball.
I want that spoon over there.
Which one, that spoon?
Yeah. I want that spoon.
Hey, do not whack my Olaf. No, thank you. You can whack your own Olaf if you want.
Where?
You have to make it. I know, you can whack that. That's fine. Okay. There he is. Let's give him... Ooh, should we give him hair?
No. He doesn't.
Like this?
We need arms and a scar.
Yes.
No, we need arms.
Yeah, like that.
Oh! Dad broke off his bottom of his body. We gotta fix him.
He looks so sad.
I know, he did look sad, didn't he?
Dad, can you put his nose? We're doing jelly beans.
Okay. There it is. Got it.
These ones.
Oh, my face didn't work out. His eyeballs are falling off, Baron.
Oh no!
2 eyes.
Yummy. There's blue ones?
Yep. I'm trying to put that candy cane in for his nose. I mean, this thing.
They got this. Uh-oh.
Okay. Ready?
I'm petting you.
Why, thank you.
I'm going to check.
Alright. Hey, Baron.
What?
Can you come say goodnight to Frosty for me? Ready?
Frosty.
Here he is. Oh, Frosty the Snowman. Or is it Olaf?
Hey.
It looks more like Frosty than Olaf. Oh! face fell off. Can you kiss him and say goodnight? Oh, goodnight, poor Olaf. He's melting before our eyes.
Dad's all on his own.
I am.
Kids have lost interest.
And there you have it. After a lot of fighting with the snow that's really like ice. Fighting with the snow and heads falling off our snowman. Oopsie.
Good night.
Ready? Wanna kiss him? Okay, come here.
I do.
Come here. Ready? Hoorah! Ready?
Could you hold this wrench?
I'll hold your wrenches, yeah.
This.
Ready? Good night, snowman. Yeah! Does it taste like jelly beans? Alright, thanks for joining us on our Olaf expedition. So next year when the snow comes again, we'll probably go up there and get some fresh snow. This was a little bit hard to work with, wasn't it, Baron? Yeah, what happened to your snowman?
Fold it off.
Oh, it's right here? We
Yeah.
have lots of little snowmen. Okay, ready?
Extra snowball.
Ready?
Oh, snow.
Here's your snowball. Here, back up. Oh, you got me. Am I what?
Hang on your dress.
On my dress. Oh my gosh, here's another snowball. Back up.
On your work dress.
Back up. Get me. Oh, right in the
Got
chest.
you.
If you don't mind, give us a thumbs up. This was fun. And if you like action like this, and you want to see me and Baron do more fun and crazy stuff, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Till next time.
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Oh, another snowball?
Yeah.
Oh no, Dad's getting all wet here. Ready? Ready? Oh, right in the belly. One more time.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh! Mom's not gonna be too happy about that one. You missed!
Again.
Alright guys, thanks for joining us. See ya. What are you gonna make with your snow?
Olaf.
Olaf? We got Olaf ingredients today on our lunchtime ride, buddy.
Look it. You want to make Olaf?
You want me to make him? Okay, give me
Let
that.
me